Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing Boxy Momma. This is a subscription box for moms. Super cute idea. It looks like they have a couple different levels of subscription boxes. So they have just the box, they have a box and a mom shirt you could get every month, or just a mom shirt. So this I believe is just the box. I don't think there's a shirt in here, but let's take a look. Get this cute little magnet. And a note, welcome to the fam. Sarah, the creator of the box, stay-at-home mom to 3 boys, and married to my 4th child husband. That's hilarious. And relatable. So there's a cute little note. Adorable little kids. Social media. And you can enter to win some swag. So we'll set that aside. So this is the July box. They scream ice cream. And I'll hold the card there in case you want to read it. The August theme is stretch marks and sunburns. I like that, that's cute. Next card. Some tricks on how to de-stress. And then a recipe for Ziploc ice cream, which I've heard of this, but I've never tried it. I'll have to do that with the kids. And there's a Spotify playlist for the month. That's awesome. It's got a good mix on here, including Trick Daddy, which is hilarious. I used to love Trick Daddy. That's cool. I like that. What's in the box? So this looks like it's going to tell you everything, so I'm probably going to set this aside for now and then show it at the end. That way I'm surprised for like a little bit longer. Cute little packaging. Jet Setter self-warming sleep mask. That's really cool. Warms up in 30 seconds and it's jasmine scented. That's really neat. I haven't seen anything like that before, so that's really cool. Nice. Then we have Big Hug self-heating patch to ease menstrual cramps. There's 1 patch in here and it lasts up to 12 hours and it is single use. Another awesome thing for a box just for mamas. Love that. Cupcakes for breakfast. It's a little cupcake coin purse. That's cute. It's got the little silica things in there. Oh, there's little earplugs in it. Mama Minute. I love that. That's adorable. I like how this, it reminds me of like a mailer bag. It's like sturdy. That's neat. Next, a shower jelly. Ooh, this is packed with fun stuff. Fizzy Clementine Shower Jelly. Aren't you glad to see me? Cruelty-free, vegan. I'm gonna open this and smell it because I bet it smells amazing. This smells really good. It smells just like clementines or oranges. And you just need a small piece. There was some on the lid, so I did wash my hands with it real quick. Lathers really well. So very exciting to have that. Then we have Chill Mama. I think this is one of those little like cooling rags. I had one of these a long time ago and I don't know what happened to it, but I think you get these wet and then you could like wrap it around your neck and they stay cold for a really long time if you're out doing yard work or something like that. But we'll check the card in a little bit to make sure that's what that is. And, aww, little tumbler. Primitives by, Kathy. I don't know why that was so hard for me to read. Be kind. That's so cute. And I love tumblers. Love it, love it, love it. And I think there's one more thing in here. Dry decks, waterproof playing cards. 2 decks included. Perfect for outdoor, indoor gatherings. 100% plastic dry decks are the best waterproof playing cards around. That's a really good idea. And they won't stick together. if stuff gets on them. Awesome. This is so fun. Let's take a look at the card again. So there's a sleep mask. It does look like it puts the retail prices on here as well. Tells you some more information about it. The body patch, the coin purse, earplugs that are inside the purse, shower jelly, coffee tumbler, card set, mystery bonus. We are moving again. This makes the 4th time in 2 years. Unfortunately, the landlord's tune has changed and it's time for us to move to Vamoose. I made sure to include something perfect for summertime. It must be the little cooling rag that I showed. Perfect. So there is a Facebook group, which I will remember to link below so you can click on it very easily. And yeah, I will have all the details for this subscription box in the description box below. But thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.